Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing square of the number properties. That means we take a number, we take its square and try to study its properties. Many properties we have studied. Now this is one more. That's Pythagorean triplet. This some term here, Pythagorean triplet. So numbers which follow the pattern a square plus b square equal to c square are called as Pythagorean triplets. This is the definition of Pythagorean triplet. As you know, Pythagoras theorem, a and b are the sides of the triangle and c is hypotenuse. A and b as a right angle triangle and c is hypotenuse, and it follows the pattern a square plus b square equal to c square. These are called the Pythagorean triplets. We see some examples. 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square. That is 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 is 25 is 5 square. So 3, 4, 5 or 3, 4, 5 is called a Pythagorean triplet. Another example is 6 square, which is 36. 8 square is 64 is equal to 100, that is 10 square. That means 6, 8, 10 is a Pythagorean triplet. One more example, 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225 is equal to 289, which is 17 square. So 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So we can see that they follow the equation. See, 2m the whole square plus m square minus 1 the bracket square, we need to add this, equal to m square plus 1 the bracket square. See this equation, okay, where m is a natural number greater than 1. You know, these are the sides of the triangle. So if m is less than 1, then this cannot get a positive quantity, and hence it has to be natural number and greater than 1. Okay, so 2m square plus to bracket m square minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to m square plus 1 the whole bracket square. This equation should satisfy if you want Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so we go ahead. So some other Pythagorean triplets are 15 square plus 12 square is 13 square, 5, 12, 13. Okay, or 20, 21, 29, 16, 63, 65, 48, 55, 73, this 13, 84, 85, 36, 77, 85, etc. We can see they do not follow this equation. Which equation? 2m the whole bracket square, that is 2 is also under the square, okay, plus m square minus 1 the whole square equal to m square plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so for a Pythagorean triplet to get or to take place, it is not necessary that it must follow this equation only. There are some other type Pythagorean triplet which do not follow this equation. Okay, so let us try some Pythagorean number examples. Okay, after learning the meaning of Pythagorean triplet definition, now we are solving the example on Pythagorean triplet. So let us read the example. We have to find a Pythagorean triplet where 24 is one of the number. Okay, so first condition is 24 is one of the number, and another condition is it is a list number. Okay, so we have to find a triplet where is satisfied both these conditions. So we proceed further for the answer. Little going very slow for everybody to understand. Okay, so the answer is Pythagorean triplets are the numbers which follow or satisfy certain equation. Okay, we will see this equation, but not that all Pythagorean triplets follow this equation. We have learned that and we have seen that also, but this is a group of Pythagorean triplet which follow this equation or satisfy this equation. What is that? 2m bracket square, that is 2m square, that not only m is squared but 2 is also squared, okay, plus m square minus 1 the whole square equal to m square plus 1 the whole square. Okay, as you know, these are the three sides of Pythagoras triangle. Okay, that means all these are positive quantities. So m is any natural number. Okay, that is, so we are going here, that is to be understood. Okay, so if 24 is one of the number, then we get m square minus 1 is 24. That could be one condition, or 2m could be 24 another, and m square plus 1 could be 24. Okay, so any one of these could be 24, but as it is given as a least number, that means m square plus 1 cannot be 24 in this case. Okay, so let us take first case where m square minus 1 is 24. Okay, m square minus 1 is 24. That means m square equal to 24 plus 1, as minus 1 crosses equal to sign and becomes plus. So that is 25. So m is equal to 5. Okay, so we could find out the value of m. Now with the help of this m, other two numbers could be definitely found out. So another number is 2m. Okay, other two numbers are, one number is m square minus 1 we have taken, is that 24, and another number is 2m, which is 2 into 5 is 10, and another number is m square plus 1. So the square to the equation is a condition, but numbers are only m square minus 1, 2m, and m square plus 1. Okay, so m square plus 1 is 5 square plus 1 is 25 plus 1 is 26. One number is, so we write the Pythagorean triplet. One number as we have taken is 24, then we have found out 10 is another number and 26 is one number. We always have a practice of writing in a ascending order, as minimum first and maximum last. So we write as 10, 24 and 26. Okay, but it doesn't follow the second condition. We have to find out such triplet where 24 has to be a least number, but in this 24 is not a least number. Okay, so we take another number as 24. We have seen m square minus 1 as 24, then we take 2m as 24. In this case, m will be 24 upon 2 is 12. Okay, this is 12. Okay, now the other two numbers will be, we have taken 2m, so m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are still remaining. Okay, so you need time to think, that's why I am very slow, because once you understand this, then these problems are no more problems. Can definitely solve it. So see, m square minus 1 is 12 square minus 1. We have seen the second case, m is 12. So it is 144 minus 1 is 143. Okay. And another, m square plus 1 is equal to 12 square plus 1 is 144 plus 1 is 145. Okay. So what are the numbers, or what is a Pythagorean triplet? It's 24, 143 and 145. Okay. And here 24 is a minimum number or the least number. Okay. 24, 143 and 145. Okay. So that is your answer. So read it properly, try to understand the meaning behind it, and see that while you answer it, you have answered all that is asked or satisfied all the conditions. Okay, that is list number. Okay.